Hi guys, Timothy in the kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a easy lasagna for two. If you're having a hard day at work and you don't want to make the long version of the lasagna, this is the perfect way of making lasagna. So let's get going and I'll show you the ingredients. What you will need is spaghetti sauce. I have mushrooms that I added into this. I got mozzarella shredded. I got regatta. This is parchment. And then noodles. I already have the noodles going. So what I did is I filled the pot up to about halfway and boiled it. When it came to a boil, I brought the boil down. I added in the salt, and then I added in the noodles here. And we are just about ready to put it in a colander and drain it and strain it right now. So that's what we're going to do right now. You want to make sure you have something to drain the water with, because if you don't, it's going to go all over the table. So just like that. So you let it sit aside and let it sit there. Next we're going to add in the spaghetti sauce. And mozzarella shredded cheese. At this process you want to mix it in slowly, little at a time. So it's just combined. You don't want to just throw it all in and then mix it. You want to just get it going a little bit. Regatta's next. It's like a cheese-like, where you can get in the dairy section. It's melting pretty good here. Forgot to mention that you want to have your preheated oven preheated at 375. And you're going to bake this for 20 minutes. And then now I'm going to add in the other ingredients, which is cumin, red pepper, garlic, and Italian seasoning. It's going to give it a little extra flavor. I like flavor. It's bubbling a little bit, so we're going to turn it down, because we don't want to torch this. Next, we're going to add back into our noodles. Just like so. You little bugger. Naughty. Sometimes these little things like to get around and they want to hide. They don't want to come in. It's too hot for them. So you want to fold this, nip and tuck and fold. What that means is you take the bottom and bring it to the top. Like so. Till it's combined. Not very long, just enough. Doesn't that look fabulous already? I'm enjoying this. I'm starting to get mouth-watery sensations already. That looks good right there. And you want to have a meatloaf pan. Doesn't have to be glass, but it has to be some sort of pan like this. And what you are about to do next is you're going to transfer all the ingredients into this, which I will show you. Doesn't that look yummy? And what I like to do is, when it's like this, I like to just give it a few little taps. You don't have to, but it does help. Next, you want to get your hot gloves out, because the oven is going to be hot. So 375, 20 minutes, and when it's bubbling, it's time to bring it out, and then we're going to add in the Parmesan cheese, and then we're going to let it sit for about, I'd say 15 minutes, but every oven is different, so 375, 20 minutes. Lasagna took 20 minutes. It was bubbling, and that was the key for me to take it out. So now it makes me believe I have a plate here and some wonderful iced tea I'm going to drink to go with the lasagna. So let's dig in and have a little piece of lasagna, shall we? You always want to make sure you let it cool down first before you have some lasagna. And I got some extra, so I'm going to add a little parm on here. So let's have a piece of this nice lasagna, shall we? Good. I love it. It gives a little kick. Makes your stomach nice and warm and fuzzily inside. A little heat, which I was looking for. Thank you very much for spending time with me today in Timothy in the kitchen. I hope you and your family try this recipe. And if you like it, please leave a comment down below. Again, thank you very much for watching Timothy in the kitchen. Until next time, have a great day.